Hi, my name is Zulaikha. So today I would like to present on my study with the title of Synthesis and Characterization of Carboxymethyl Cellulose Grafted Iron Liquid / Monolinolide Composite. So there are three types of materials. Is carboxymethyl cellulose, which is known as cellulose derivative, and it can be synthesized by two steps, which is maturization and esterification. Then one is in liquid. So in my study, I use 1-3-methyl imidazolone based liquid. So a liquid is liquid electrolytes, or liquid salts under room temperature, and the melting point is below than 100 degrees Celsius. Third one is active clay mineral, which is monolinolide. Each of individual layers consists of pair of tetrahedral sheets that sandwiching an octahedral sheet. Okay, so for the problem statement, okay, so cellulose known to contain OH group, and it will form stronger hydrogen bonding, either inter or intra-hydrogen bonding. Okay, due to that, it is lack of active sites and crystallinity will decrease. Okay, the second one is the limited layer spacing of monolinolide lead to difficulties in integration processes. Okay, so for the significant study, okay, due to the highly organized structures and strong inter and interchain of hydrogen interaction, iron liquid is used for the cellulose materials processor. Uh, Second one is iron liquid as a modifier to monolinolide, indicating the ion exchange of iron liquid with the monolinolide. It will increase the layer spacing of monolinolide. So the main objective in this study is to synthesize the carboxymethyl cellulose grafted iron liquid, then integrated with monolinolide. Second one is to study the functional group and crystallinity of synthesis product of composite by using FTIR and also XRD. Okay, so the literature review for this MC, it said that monochloroacetic acid and isopropanol was used to identify the hydroxy group of cellulose. Okay, for this MC with a liquid, it was said that crystallinity decreased as the gradual increase of cellulose swelling in cellulose derivatives hampered by a liquid. MC and MMT for monolinolide, the positively charged site existing at the edge of monolinolide could electrostatically interact with an ionic polymer, for example, carboxymethyl cellulose. Okay, and lastly, for a liquid that combine with monolinolide, the use of ion liquid in modification of MT has drawn attention because ionic exchange between these compounds will allow easy organic modification in clay minerals. This step in the study involved four steps. First, surface modification of cellulose and two carboxymethyl cellulose via maturization and esterification step. Second one is grafting technique between iron liquid and also CMC. The third one is integration of MMT into CMC. And lastly is characterization of the final product. Okay, for the result, the FTR analysis shows there is a present of important peaks of each product in the final product. For example, in the final product, there is existing of important peak for carboxymethyl cellulose, liquid, and also MMT. Same goes with the SRD analysis. It shows the peak diffraction peak for the three materials. For example, for 0.2 degree is for CMC. For diffraction peak at 38.5 is for liquid, and the rest is referred to monolinolide. So for the conclusion, it says that important peak in FTIR was identified, which all the peaks for each of the materials is present in FTIR analysis. Same goes with the XRD result that obtained. It also shows pattern for the crystallinity in each of the three materials in the final product, which means the CMC is successfully grafted with a liquid and then successfully integrated in monolinolide. So for recommendation, it is recommended to use other instrument, for example TGA and BT for characterization. And that nitrogen purging required in condition at nitrogen atmosphere to avoid any other gases that might effect the result. And lastly, propose a study for CMC grafted iron liquid in order to identify either the final product is functional well or not. For example, application that can be done is remove removal of heavy metals, microplastic, and also dye in the wastewater. So this is the references that used in my study. So with that, this is the end of my presentation.